Hello dear students, welcome to ECE Academy Benefactor. Hello dear students, in this class I will be explaining about circular convolution by concentric circle method. So let us start the class. The given question is, find the circular convolution of two duration sequence x1 of n given as 1 minus 1 minus 2 3 minus 1 and x2 of n is given as 1 2 3. We have to solve this circular convolution using concentric circle method. Concentric circle method. The basic requirement for doing circular convolution is both the sequences must be of same length. Okay, so we are having the sequence, first sequence x1 of n is 1 minus 1 minus 2 3 minus 1. Its length is 1 2 3 4 5. Its length is 5. And coming to the second sequence, we are having only 1 2 3. The length is only 3. So we have to append 2 zeros to it to make its length 5. So that x1 of n and x2 of n are of same length. So after making both the sequences of same length, we have to start solving the concentric circular method procedure. How it is? In concentric circle method, we have to draw two circles. In the outer circle, we have to plot x1 of n, and in the inner circle, we have to plot x2 of n. How x1 of n is plotted? x1 of n samples are plotted in anti-clockwise direction. So what are the samples of x1 of n? 1, minus 1, minus 2, 3, minus 1. So we have plotted x1 of n in anti-clockwise direction in the outer circle, on the outer circle. And now we have to plot x2 of n. We have to start x2 of n at the same point where we have started x1 of n. We have to plot x2 of n in the clockwise direction. x1 of n in anti-clockwise, x2 of n in the clockwise. Starting point will be same. So x1 of n is 1, 2, 3, then 0, 0. Okay, so in concentric circle method, we will be having two circles. In the outer circle, we plot x1 of n in anti-clockwise direction and x2 of n in the clockwise direction, both the sequences starting at the same point. Now we have to find y of 0 from here. So how to find y of 0? Y of 0, 1 dot 1 is 1, okay, plus 2 into minus 1, minus 2, plus 3 3s are 9, plus minus 2 into 0, 0, minus 1 into 0, 0. So how much it is coming? 9 plus 1, 10, 10 minus 2, 8. So y of 0 is coming to be as 8. Next step, we have to plot x1 of n in the on the outer circle in anti-clockwise direction. So it will be 1, minus 1, minus 2, 3 and minus 1. So we have plotted x1 of n in the anti-clockwise direction on the outer circle. 1, minus 1, minus 2, 3, minus 1. In the inner circle, we have to plot x2 of n. We have to rotate now this circle one step anti-clockwise. So by rotating this circle, inner circle, one step anti-clockwise, what happens? There's 2 moves here and 3 will come here. So here it will, this 1 will be shifted here and this 2 will be shifted here, 3, 0, 0. So what we have done? We have rotated one step x2 of n in the anti-clockwise direction to get y of n, y of 1. What is y of 1? 2 1s are 2 plus 3 into minus 1, minus 3 plus 3 into 0, 0 minus 2 into 0, 0, plus 1 into minus 1. 1 into minus 1 will be minus 1. So, how much it is coming? Minus 3 minus 1 minus 4. Minus 4 plus 2, 2. So, y of 1 is coming as 2. Is coming to be as minus 2. Okay, in third step. In the third step, we have to plot x1 of n in the outer circle. So, it will be 1, minus 1, minus 2, 3, minus 1. 1, minus 1, minus 2, 3, minus 1 we have plotted on the outer circle x1 of n in the anti-clockwise direction. Now rotate the inner circle one step in anti-clockwise. So, 3 will come to this point. So, it is 3. Okay. 2, 1, 0, 0. Now, we have to find y of 1 here. From this circle, we will find y of 2. So, let me solve y of 2 here. Y of 2 will be equal to 3 into 1. 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3 plus 2 into 0 into minus 1, 0 plus 0 into 3, 0 plus 1 into minus 2, minus 2 plus 2 into minus 1, minus 2. So, it is coming to be as 3 minus 4 is equal to minus 1. So, y of 2 is coming to be as minus 1. Okay, now let us find till what value we have to find here now. So, here x1 of n is of length 5. So, let us say this is length n is 5, x2 of n length is also 5. So, what will be y of n length? It will also be 5. So, its length will also be 5. So, we have computed y of 0, y of 1, y of 2. Now, what we have to find? Y of 3. So, y of 3 step is plot x1 of n on the outer circle. 1, minus 1, minus 2, 3, minus 1. We have plotted x1 of n on the outer circle in anti-clockwise direction. So, this circle inside 1, we have to rotate one step ahead. So, what will happen? This 0 will be shifting here. So, this 3 will be shifted here. 3, 2, 1, 0, 0. So, we have moved x2 of n one step in anti-clockwise to get y of 3. So, what is y of 3? 0 into 1, 0 plus 0 into minus 1, 0 plus 3 into 1, 3, 2 into minus 2, minus 4, 3 into minus 1, minus 3. So, what will come here? Y of 3 will come as minus 4. Y of 3 will come as minus 4. Now, we have to find y of 4. Y of 4 we can obtain by plotting two circles. On this, we will be having two concentric circles. So, plot x1 of n in the anti-clockwise direction. x1 of n is never changing. It is static. 1, minus 1, minus 2, 3 and minus 1. So, we have plotted x1 of n on the outer circle. x2 of n, we have to rotate one step ahead. So what will happen? This 0 will be shifting here and this 0 will come here. So what will happen? Now this step will be 3, 2, 1, 0, 0. So we have rotated one step, the inner circle, in anti-clockwise direction to get y of 4. So what is y of 4? 0.1, 0 plus 1 dot minus 1, minus 1 plus 2 into 3, 6 minus 2, 3 minus 6. 0 into minus 1, 0. So what is the answer for this one is minus 1. So how much is y of 4 coming as minus 1. So let me now write, we have computed from y of 0 coming to be as 8, y of 1 is coming to be as minus 2, y of 3 is coming as minus 1, y of 2 is coming as minus 1 and y of 3 is coming as minus 4 and y of 4 is coming as minus 1. Okay. So 0 we got as 8, y of 1 we got it as minus 2, y of 2 as minus 1, y of 3 is minus 4, y of 4 is minus 1. So what is y of n? Y of n is equal to y of 0, 8 minus 2 minus 1 minus 4 minus 1. This is y of n. Okay. So in this way we can compute y of n. What is y of n? Is a circular convolution of x1 of n circularly convolved with x2 of n using concentric circle method. For circular convolution we have to make both the sequences of same length. So first we made sequences of same length and plotted x1 of n on the outer circle in anti-clockwise direction and x2 of n plotted in clockwise direction, and in every step while rotation x2 of n is rotated one step in anti-clockwise direction to get y of 0, y of 1, y of 2, y of 3 and y of 4. I hope you have understood the class. If you have any queries, you can post in the comment section. Thank you. Good luck, students.